World is such a, and when I say this world, I mean it. I don't mean in an ideal sense. I mean in every day, every little thing you do. It's such a gimme, gimme, gimme. Everybody back off. You know, everybody's like, you taught that from school.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been meaning to post this 90s tutorial for a good hot minute and I'm barely getting around to it. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm starting off by prepping my eye with LA Girls Pro Concealer in yellow. Then blending it out evenly with the damp beauty blender. Using the Stacey Marie Carnival palette, I'm going to start with the shade Mint. With the fluffy blending brush, I'm going to pop the shade into my outer V and blend it out. To blend it out, I am using patting and C-shaped motions. Next, I'm applying the shade Keen on the inner 2/3 of my eye, leaving some lid space. I'm leaving the lid space partially empty just so I can add another color. Since the yellow seems to fade out as I do my makeup, I'm really trying to pack it on here. And then I just go ahead and blend the edges together. Next, using the shade Wifey, I'm going to apply to the inner 2/3 of my lid. And softly blend out the edges into the yellow and the mint green. Next, we're going to create a graphic liner. I'm going to use a JSC liquid lipstick as eyeliner. I can't exactly remember the shade and I can't go back and look because I've thrown most of my lipsticks away. But anywho, I'm just using a precision eyeliner brush to do my wing. I do know this shade though. It's Blue Velvet and I'm mixing it with Mehron White Paradise paint to make a customized eyeliner color. You should end up with this periwinkle kind of shade. And I'm going to go ahead and just create an empty wing around the pink wing. Make sure you take your time with this because there is very little room for error and it's going to be very annoying if you have to go back and fix it if you mess up. So just go ahead and be patient. Slow and steady wins the race. Now I'm just going to add white to the edge of the pink wing. More or less, this is what you should have once you're finished. Oh, you see that little burn mark in my temple? Yeah, the hairstylist did that. She fucked my shit up, gave me a chemical burn, and here we are. Anyway, moving on, I am taking this product called Freck. It allows you to create faux freckles. I'm just going to dot it on my face and use my finger to disperse out the product. I'm like seeing my nails in the video and I'm just cringing, like what the wow. Don't look at my nails, guys, don't pay any attention to them as I draw attention to them by telling you not to look at them. There's a reason I hate getting my nails done, it's because I have enough money to get the initial service, but when it comes to getting the fill, I'm always broke by then and I can never get them done. I really need to get better about putting money aside for these things, you know, baby steps. Anyway, finishing up the freckles, this is optional, you don't have to do it. Using the Crayon Case Watch Me Blush palette, I'm going to go ahead and contour and add blush to my face. Go ahead and go a little heavy on this. Don't be afraid. Submit to the blush. It's okay. It'll be fine. The goal is very much to look sunburned. Now using JSC Queen Supreme, I'm going to draw out some 90s shapes on my face. Nothing too crazy, it's just a triangle. With NYX Matte Black Eyeliner, I'm going to add some dotted shading behind the triangle. Try to be neat with this. I did screw up a little bit right here, so you know, just take your time. Okay, I'm going to add a few more shapes and I'll be right back. Go ahead and draw one of those squiggly things starting from the bridge of your nose across. Go ahead and paint a little square there. It's actually going to be a cube, so we're going to add some dimension here in a little bit. Here I'm using Mehron face paints to finish the cube. And adding some yellow on top to continue with the theme. You can literally do this however you want, just Google 90s shapes and you're golden. On my lips, I'll be using ColourPop's Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Neat Freak. And if you're wondering what lip liner I used NYX Cosmetics Retractable Lip Liner in the shade Sand Beige. I'm going to highlight my face using the Crayon Case Glow Cane Highlighting Powder. I'm still mad over this haircut. Like, if you guys could see what it looked like when I had it, y'all, no. Anyway, moving on, for my lashes, I'll be using the Crayon Case Add Lashes, the top row. And now that I got these beautiful wispies on, the look is complete. Serving you total 90s realness with my fuckboy haircut and my wife beater. While editing through this whole video, I was really just impressed with my eyebrows the entire time. Look isn't complete without a gold necklace with my baby's name on it. I love you, Eileen! I'm so sad it broke though. This is just hella cute. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And go ahead and follow me on IG at O'Malley if you're not already. Okay, bye!